Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Children, why didn't all of you post your tests yesterday? I received just a very few tests. Why so?
Ma'am, I sent Saurya.
Sorry, I have checked yours and sent. I have checked Mokshit's test and sent.
Ma'am, I have sent Bhavya.
Yeah, but beta, you, Yashmit, and a few more have sent me the PDF. I told you to
Yes, ma'am.
use images.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have
ma'am,
not.
because there are pages and some children's sent in between. So
No,
I
beta,
have to
no.
make it.
Please just send me loose images. Otherwise, it is not possible. It is not easy to check.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sending now.
Send those images now. I don't want the PDF. I just want images. Yes. And how many others didn't send me? Raina, where is your test? Akhya, where is your test?
Ma'am, yesterday the period is over, so I can't send. Today I'm
You
sending.
should have sent me later. I checked it in the night yesterday. And I saw just a few papers.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, how many are sending me right now? Please send on the class group.
Ma'am, yesterday I can't do the question 3, all the questions I have. My 4th and 5th has not done.
Okay, 4th and 5th is not done. Those who could not complete the test will do it right now. Rest of the
Okay, ma'am.
can revise the next chapter.
Ma'am, we have to send it right now.
Yes, ma'am. Not send, then send it right now. If you did not send it yesterday, send it right now.
Ma'am, I have sent PDF yesterday. Ma'am, Bhavya, I have sent PDF yesterday. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Say,
Ma'am, I have read and ma'am, I have read and understand the next chapter.
very nice, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent PDF yesterday.
Beta, I don't want PDF now. That is what I'm saying. I just want loose images.
Okay, ma'am, I am sending again.
Yes, Bhavya will send again. Jashmit will send again. There is one more student who sent the PDF yesterday. I don't want PDFs.
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Yes, all of you send. And those who could just read. Okay, no, this is not just read now. And those who could not complete the test yesterday, please do it right now. Complete it right now.
Ma'am, what we will do today?
First, I will receive test from all of you, then I'll do something. Yuvraj Gupta, resend your test. What have you children made? Mask of Pikachu.
Ma'am, our math ma'am has said that we have to make masks to
Yes.
show the symmetry.
It is an
Very
activity
nice.
of art.
Very good, very nice.
Ma'am, yesterday I was absent because my
So please check from D group. I have sent the test over there. Check from the
Yes,
D
ma'am,
group.
I was also not there yesterday. Ma'am, I was also not there.
Children, some of you have written rotation and revolution of the earth happens at the same time. Some of you have written false. Does it not happen
Ma'am,
at the same time? Yes, it's true. Okay, Bhavya. Bhavya, your work is very neat. The neatest paper of yesterday was Bhavya's paper. I'm waiting for your papers. Please send, hurry up and send them. Araf Gupta, what about your paper? Arhan, Araf, Shobit Gupta, Anika.
Ma'am, I sent my papers on your personal number.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
can
I was not there yesterday. Ma'am, I was not there yesterday.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Have you got my paper, Panshu Mishra?
Excuse me,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please
Ma'am.
send that worksheet on the worksheet of chapter 8 on
Excuse me,
D
ma'am.
group, because that day I wasn't able to do that. So can you please send?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your mic is mute.
Now, Bhavya, say what you were saying.
Ma'am, I was
Ma'am.
not there yesterday. So, ma'am, please
Ma'am,
tell ma'am that
I'm
ma'am,
only
you have to
asking
write
to
on the
Bhavya.
answers.
I'm only asking to Bhavya, one by one. What, Bhavya?
Ma'am, on the upper side of the photo, you can see my name.
Beta, I know I have.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Good morning. 11. Yes, now who was saying what? Tell me.
Ma'am, I was not present yesterday. Ma'am, I am doing my works. Ma'am, please tell me that we have to write only answers.
No, Beta, you have to write questions also.
Okay, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, can you send that worksheet on D group, worksheet of chapter 8, because that day I was not able to do that.
Worksheet of chapter 8. Now, which one was that? What is the name of the chapter?
Ma'am, types of maps.
Beta, just see in D group. It must be there already.
No, ma'am, there is no worksheet of chapter 8 on D group.
Wait, I'll see.
Ma'am, the worksheet. Yesterday we have not done the worksheet of chapter 8. We have done the worksheet of chapter 4.
And we have
Ma'am,
we have done the worksheet of chapter 6 and 7.
No, ma'am, we have done the worksheet of chapter 4 in which we have to draw the symbol of Fort Tower, the airport, church.
Okay,
and
Yashmit is saying it correct. He wants the worksheet of the chapter types of maps. Right, Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send that. How many of you are still doing the test that was given yesterday? Raise your hands. Palvini, Beta, where is your test paper?
Ma'am, I have already sent and sticked in my copy.
Very nice, Panchu. Very good.
Ma'am, I'm speaking now. Ma'am, I just want
Sorry,
to
have you pasted in your copy?
Ma'am, I
have
sent on the group and I am going. Ma'am, I am sticking.
Good.
And this is my paper and I sticked in this copy.
Who is this? Good morning, ma'am. Who has sent me this message personally? Children, if it is a student of your class who is saying, send me question number 2, 3, 4 of answer in detail, they are not done, please do it from the D group. Every work has been posted in D group. Please don't do a little effort for yourself. When everything is posted there, don't personally message your teachers, beta. This practice is not right.
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Yes, send. Hurry up and send. Good. Okay, I have received Akhya's paper also. Akhya, it looks incomplete. Are you sending me?
Ma'am, those who have sent, we have to resend it.
No, don't resend. I'll get confused. Now, children, similarly, let's say on Saturday, I will take the test of next chapter. Okay. Saturday, we have how many classes? We have 2 classes.
No, ma'am. On Friday and Thursday, we have 2 classes.
Okay, on Friday and Thursday. But I'll be taking your test on Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have
What is the name of the next chapter? Domain of the earth.
Today
Right?
also your class. Ma'am, today also your class English creative. Ma'am, yesterday I learned the chapter domains of the earth.
Very nice. Very good. All of you know the syllabus for your half yearlies?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
It will be.
ma'am.
It is from.
No, ma'am.
Okay, listen. From motions of the earth till water bodies. All the chapters are coming. There are 4 chapters coming. Mark them in your index. Write HY. HY stands for half yearly.
Ma'am, how many, ma'am, ma'am, in half yearlies, how many chapters will come?
4 beta 4. Motions of the earth, domains of the earth. Then we have the next chapter, major landforms of the earth and water bodies. We have these 4 chapters coming for half yearlies.
Ma'am, 5.
Beta 4 हुए ना. Motions, domains, landforms and water bodies. How many are these? 4 ही तो हुए. Which is the 5th one, Varshita?
Ma'am, I was counting, so I got 5.
How did you count? Tell me.
Ma'am, I think I counted extra.
Yes, you counted extra. Types of maps is not going to be included in your half yearly. Okay, we have done this chapter, but it will not come.
Okay, ma'am.
Can
Yes,
please tell again chapters?
chapters are motions of the earth, domains of the earth, major landforms of the earth,
Can please tell second one?
domains of the earth.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Who is this student? Palvini. Palvini,
Ma'am,
yes. What is wrong? Your device is not correct. The speakers are not fine, beta.
Ma'am, this is clear. Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Children, is
Ma'am,
it
just
all
the chapter
clear?
4, 5, 6, and 7 is coming.
Ma'am, I have sent in the chat box.
See, the first is motions of the earth, Palvini. Then it is domains of the earth. Then it is major landforms of the earth and water bodies. The last chapter that is coming is water bodies. Now, how many children are
Please tell the chapters again.
4, 5, 6, 7. Now, chapter number is 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Okay, ma'am.
On Saturday, you have the test of chapter 5.
Ma'am, I have pasted in my copy.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
I think you have not checked the my
Excuse me,
paper of motions of the earth.
Panchul, was it sent
Excuse
in
me,
PDF? No,
Yes,
Panchul, I
ma'am, I
have
have
checked it, of
sent
course.
previously.
No, I have checked your paper. Check it,
Excuse
beta.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the chapters which were coming in first duty will not come in half yearlies.
No, they will not come.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Well, like yesterday we have done the 4th chapter test. So, ma'am, we will start from 5th chapter now.
Yes, beta. On Saturday, we will do the test of 5th chapter.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, we will be having our SST chapter 5 test on this coming Saturday.
Yes, beta. Day after tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
How many children are still doing the test, beta? Please raise your hand and let me know. Nobody will speak. Just raise your hand and let me know. Shaurya, keep your hand down because you have already done. Yes, Arav Gupta is doing. Palvini, beta, I have not received your test paper also. Kanav Mittal, what about you? Vamika Singh, Naman, Parmeet, Samarth. So many students, you have not sent me your paper. Varshita, where is your test paper? Raina, where is yours? Ashray, Yatharth. Okay, Yatharth has sent.
Ma'am, I have also sent right now.
All right.
My test paper can I send?
Yes, send your test paper.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the 4th chapter, Motions of the Earth, I don't understand the last 3 paragraphs. The tilting of Earth.
Which one?
The last 3 paragraphs in which they are telling about the tilting of Earth and what happens.
In domains of the earth, beta. Last paragraph.
Morning, ma'am.
Last paragraph is about this thing, biosphere, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Pranav, good
No,
morning, beta.
ma'am,
What is the
I
time
am
of the
saying
class? When are you joining the class? It's my mistake only that I have not logged the meeting.
I'm saying that the paragraph in which season they are telling about these seasons, and the last 3 paragraphs of seasons in which they are telling about the revolution of Earth and the tilting of North and South.
Okay, see. Now what it says, wait. Between the months of November to January. This one, beta, are you talking about this paragraph?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm saying about the chapter number 4, Motions of the Earth, on page number 29.
The
I think
paragraph,
he
read the beginning.
doesn't understand seasons.
Why can't I see seasons in my book?
As the Earth
On page number 29.
Beta, my book, I have old book. Send me the picture of what you can't understand.
Okay, ma'am.
Then he is not not able to understand the motion of the earth season. I mean, he's saying this paragraph.
Okay, listen. Here in my book, the revolution of the earth around the sun causes change in season. Now, as the earth revolves around the sun, what happens is it is rotating also. At the same time, it is rotating also and it is revolving also. Right? Bhavya? Now,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
tilted axis. The tilted axis of the earth is also responsible for what? It is responsible for the change in seasons. Now, what happens is the earth is round, right? When it revolves around the sun, only a part of the earth faces the sun. Is that correct? Only a part of the earth faces the sun. Now, the part of the earth that is away from the sun, what it will have? Which season it is going to have?
Ma'am, winter.
Winter season. Now see, the top half of the earth lies between the equator and the North Pole. And it is called Northern Hemisphere. The bottom half lies between South Pole and equator, and it is called Southern Hemisphere. As the earth revolves around the sun from April to June, the tilt of the earth is such that the northern hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun. Now, from these months, from April, May, June, the position of the earth is such that the northern hemisphere faces the sun. Is that correct? It receives direct sun rays. The northern hemisphere receives direct rays from the sun and it has longer hours of sunlight. That is why the days are longer during these months. And what happens in winters? From October till January, what happens? The duration of the days become smaller.
Small.
Yes, it becomes smaller. Why? Because then this hemisphere, the northern hemisphere, is not directly facing the sun. The southern hemisphere faces the sun. That is why the weather also changes and the days also become smaller.
Ma'am, but Earth revolves every 24 hours. So the part of the Earth that
Yeah, it
faces the sun has summer.
It rotates every 24 hours. It doesn't revolve every 24 hours. It revolves. How much time does it take to complete one revolution?
365 days and 6 hours.
365 days.
Yes.
And 365 days and 6 hours.
Yes, it takes this much time. So if it will start from here, it will, how much time will it take to come back to this position? 365 days and 6 hours. And like this, it is going to rotate. Every 24 hours, it will change its position. That is why day and night is caused, beta. That is why day and night is caused. Sun is stationary. Do you think sun moves? No. Sun is stationary. What moves is the earth. The earth keeps moving, rotating and revolving. All right, done. Is it clear, Bhavya, now?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Now, next thing. What is the next thing? Now let's discuss the worksheet, the test paper that was given to you yesterday. What is the first question of it?
The earth rotates
Ma'am, it is the earth rotates from dash to dash.
Okay, who will tell? The earth rotates from dash to dash.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arav, tell.
west to east.
West to east. Very good. Some of you had written east to west, which is wrong. The earth rotates from
Ma'am,
west
I have,
to east.
ma'am, I
Then
have not right.
you have not written, okay. Then the next,
Then
Arhan.
dash.
Arhan, read out the next sentence.
Any test?
No, today is no test, beta.
Ma'am, any worksheet?
No worksheet, nothing today. Just discussion.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, your camera is blurred a little.
ma'am.
Microphone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, say.
In first fill in the blank, I have done west to east.
West to east is correct.
I'm doing it. Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Quiz, ma'am, please quiz.
Please what?
Ma'am, quiz.
Quiz, nahi beta. We are discussing the worksheet. We're discussing the test paper of yesterday.
Ma'am, may I read the
Arhan,
next
you
one?
read the next sentence. You're not reading.
Ma'am, can I Bhavya answer?
Speak white Bhavya. Arhan is speaking.
Okay, ma'am. Two movements of the earth are dash and dash, rotation and revolution.
Everyone has written this. Two movements of the earth are dash and dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay. Mokshit
Rotation
Mokshit Mishra. Read out the third one.
Yes, ma'am. The imaginary vertical line is not dash. Then the answer is axis.
Ma'am, axis. Ma'am, axis.
Axis. Yes, the correct answer is axis. Then Yatharth, read out the fourth one.
Okay, ma'am. It takes dash hours to complete one dash, 24 hours and rotation.
Ma'am, dash is not at the last. It is rotation only.
Okay,
Ma'am,
it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Then next, who will read the next one? Panchul Mishra.
Okay, ma'am. The dash of the earth causes in change of seasons. Revolution.
Very nice.
Revolution.
Very good. Next, Jaskaran.
Revolution.
Then axis.
State whether true or false. The sun revolves around the earth. False.
Sun revolves around the earth. False.
Ma'am, the earth revolves around the sun. Not sun
Next,
revolves.
Shaurya, read out the next one.
Okay, ma'am. A leap year has 365 days. False. As a leap year has 6 days.
366 days. Good.
Ma'am, and
Next
extra 6
one.
hours.
Raina, read out the next one.
Okay, ma'am. Rotation and revolution happen at the same time. That is true.
Yes, very good. Next.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Bhavya, now read the next.
The rotation of the earth caused the formation of days and nights. It is true.
It is true. Okay.
But because
Very good.
Ma'am,
because
true.
of the rotation
True.
of
Yes, ma'am. True.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, can I tell fifth?
Yes, what is the fifth one? Tell.
When India has summer, Australia has winter. True.
True. Very good. When India has summer,
can I read
because they
first
both are They both are in different hemispheres. That is the reason.
Yes, ma'am.
If they talk about any two countries that are in the same hemisphere, it will not be like this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming on to the first question.
It will be like
Ma'am, can I?
it will be India and China. Then will it be false?
Yes, it is going to be false because they both fall in the same hemisphere.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So now,
Now, who has not got the turn in true and false and fill in the blank?
Ma'am, I, Athar.
ma'am,
Yashmit, okay, Yashmit, read out the first question.
what is rotation? The movement of the earth the movement of earth around its own axis is called rotation.
Very good. Very nice. Then who will tell me the next? Aksha Goyal.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, now I can Athar.
Ma'am, can I tell my answer what I have written?
Tell Raina.
The earth spins on its axis from west to east in 24 hours. This movement of the earth rotation.
Is called rotation. Okay. But beta, it is only asked what is rotation. Anything that is moving on its own axis is called.
Ma'am, can I tell my answer?
Is it different, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is it?
Okay. The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. It moves from west to
Very nice. Very good. Now, what is the next answer? Aksha Goyal, read out the next question.
What is revolution? The answer is revolution is the movement of the earth or revolution is the movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun.
All right.
And ma'am, can I tell my answer?
Yes, tell.
The earth not only rotates on its axis, also moves around the sun. This movement of the earth is called revolution.
The movement, again, Raina, please read it out once again.
Okay, ma'am. The earth not only rotates on its axis, also moves, but also moves around the sun. This movement of the earth is called revolution.
Ma'am, this answer is
Not
at the
correct.
paragraph of revolution.
Yes, it is not correct also. The answer is not correct. What is revolution? Anything moving in a fixed path around something is revolution. Panchal, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I'm not good.
And my answer is the movement of earth around the sun is called revolution.
Okay, any other answer?
Can I tell
my answer?
Any other answer? Yes.
Can I tell Bhavya?
Yes, Bhavya, you tell beta.
The movement of earth around the sun is called revolution.
Beta, this is same what Panchal said.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kashmir.
Ma'am, I have a different answer. Ma'am, I have a different answer.
Who is saying I have a different answer?
Verma.
Anika, okay, tell beta.
Okay, ma'am. What is revolution? The earth moves around the sun. This movement is called revolution.
Beta, it is the same answer what Panchal said. What
Tell my answer.
it is exactly the same.
Can I tell my answer?
Tell.
The movement of the earth on its axis. No, ma'am. The movement of the earth around the sun on its axis is on its fixed path is called rotation, revolution.
Ma'am, can I?
Such a
I-
mixed answer, huh? Everything
Ma'am,
mixed.
I have-
up. Fixed path also and in its orbit also and everything together.
Ma'am, can I tell I have a different answer?
Okay, listen to me. What is revolution? Revolution is the movement in a fixed orbit, in a fixed path. Now, when we are talking about the revolution of the earth, it means that we are saying that it is revolving around the movement of earth around the sun in a fixed path. It is very important to put here in a fixed path. Is called revolution. Okay? Just add
Ma'am,
in a
what?
fixed path, that's all. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution.
Ma'am, it is my
Good. Next, what is the next question? What causes change in season?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Very simple answer.
Revolution.
Of the earth around the sun causes change in season.
Ma'am, the revolution of the causes a changing season.
Yes, the revolution of the earth around the sun is, causes change in seasons. Okay, what is the next question?
Ma'am, here, how is a leap year formed?
How is a leap year formed? Yes.
Can I tell Panshu?
Okay, tell Panchal, you tell.
Ma'am, I have written as in a year there are 365 days and 6 hours, but we only count 365 days, and after every 4 years, the left 6 hours mixed and form 24 hours, which means 1 day. That one additional day come in the leap year.
Very nicely explained, Panchal. Now, this is what
Ma'am,
you
can I
have
put the-
explained this answer in your own words, and it is very clear and nice. Good.
Ma'am, can I also tell my answer?
Yes, Yashmit, tell.
Ma'am, my answer is the leap year is formed due to the time taken by Earth revolve with 365 days and 6 hours. The extra 6 hours are added, and 1 extra day is formed in February.
No, 1 extra day is formed after every 4 years.
Ma'am, can I Bhavya?
Wait, beta, let me finish. If you say 1 extra day is formed in February, that means it is formed every February. That is every year it is formed. But when it is formed after every 4 years. Right?
Ma'am, can I now? I have different answer.
Say, Bhavya.
The extra 6 hours get added after every 4 years to form 1 additional day. Thus, leap year is formed.
Yes. Anyone else has any other answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Can I?
Yes. Varshita.
Ma'am, the day 29th of February, is it a little shorter than the other days?
It is a little shorter than the other days. Why?
Ma'am,
What
I'm
it means?
asking the question, is it shorter than the other days?
No, it is usual like other days, beta. Because there are
Okay, ma'am.
24 hours only, na?
Okay, ma'am.
I have written question 5 answer also in my own words.
Yes, I know, beta. You have written in your own words. Now, what is the next question?
Can I tell the next
And
one?
the next question is explain the formation of every day and night.
How are day and night formed?
Can I tell?
Yes, how are days and nights formed? Now, I want who will answer this question. Only 1 minute is left. Hurry up. Let's have Shaurya Tyagi. Your turn. Shaurya is not there in the class.
Ma'am, I have written a different answer. Can I tell?
Okay, Panchal, tell.
Okay, rotation causes day and night. Like the whole earth is round, so the part of the earth during rotation that faces the sun at that place it is day, and the part which is not facing the sun has night.
Very nice, beta. Good.
And ma'am, I have also different answer.
Okay, Yashmit, say.
Day and night are formed by rotation when the part of Earth